today I think we're going to go to Pelican's Bar and YS-Falls. Yes, that I'm excited for. YS-Falls, I've always wanted to visit. However, today you guys gonna come with me to YS-Falls.
Okay, my hen chatty.
YS-Falls. In the shuttle bus. Yes guys, so we are here. See, welcome to a little bit of paradise. Have an adventure, just relax. That is it. So here at the front guys, we have a little pool. It said that the capacity is 45 persons at a time. Yes. Guard. See a guard. Ich gehe da drin. Gleich. So guys, I changed from the hand camera to the gimbal now, so I think the video is a bit steadier. That is right. Good. So again guys, we are in YS-Falls in what? Westmoreland I think? Pretty far from where I am from, but however, I'm going to try to tour you guys around a bit. I don't really have to talk much, I just need to show the fall and stuff, you know? That's what the viewers love. Beautiful, love. Really nice. So, if any of you get the chance to visit Jamaica, I mean definitely, YS-Falls, I would say is a must. Yeah, you should definitely check this place out, you know. Of course, it's on, what's the word? An environmental zone. I'm not quite sure what that word. So you're not allowed to smoke here or anything like that, but yeah, I think that's a good thing. You know, we don't want to destroy nature, we want to keep it just as it is. Yes guys, so I'm gonna hike all the way up, and then I'm gonna get the water camera, and then I'm gonna get some water footage. I'm not sure if I can do the drone here. Guys, giving you a tour, a nice little tour of my little island, you know what I'm saying? This is what it is. This is where I'm from. We call it yard. Yeah? And you can see a lot of green, a lot of wildlife. Understand? It took me what? 29 years. I was born here. And I've been hearing about YS-Falls from I was a child actually. I never got to visit. Never, not once. Until now. So, the question is it worth the wait? Yes it is. Yes. So on the edge you have all this little gazebo, you can like put your bags and your belongings in. No charge of course. Yes sir. Going up them steps. Yeah. Real nice. But I'm gonna hike you guys all the way to the top. And then I'm gonna come back down and enjoy some of the water for me. Yeah, like that. Actually, I'm a little bit tired. Oh, and also guys, you can do zip lining here. It's possible. Yeah, look. Ah, you see. That's some nice shit. Real nice shit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the zip lining today, but yo, real liar. I think here is the the zip line area. Start open. It is what it is. She was a bit too slow. She didn't really make it across, you know. No, I'm not sure the price of the zip lining, but however, the entrance fee is, I think, 2,500 for foreigners and 1,800 for locals. I think that's the price. I think that's what I paid. I could double check to make sure. If not, if it's incorrect, I will put the correction on the screen. If not, then it's correct. So guys, yeah, that's it. Is the tour. I don't think I'm going to go any further. I think I can actually. I think I can go on the top here of the fall, but I'm a bit too tired right now and I need to enjoy the water. Yep. See, that's also zip lining. I was correct. So guys, I'm going to go back down now and I'm going to enjoy the water. I'm going to make some footage from the water. Yes, I'm gonna make some water footage, guys, so stay tuned. Super cold, like the European kind of shit. What? You know what I'm saying? After this. Woo! Woo! Check this out. When I go. Amen, guys. What a wonderful day, eh? That is it, going back to the bus, and into the car, and then on the way to Negril. So when I'm in Negril, keep you guys in check, innit?